at 7. Broomfield reported mostly sunny and 84. The wind was north at 8. Boulder fair. The temperature was 81. Fort Collins Loveland Air. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch 418 in effect until 9 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following areas. In Colorado, this watch includes 16 counties in east-central Colorado, Elbert, Lincoln, in north-central Colorado, Larimer, in northeast Colorado, Adams, Arapahoe, Boulder, Broomfield, Denver, Douglas, Jefferson, Logan, Morgan, Phillips, Sedgwick, Washington, Weld. This includes the cities of Akron, Atwood, Alt, Barnesville, Bennett, Black Hollow Reservoir, Boulder, Briggsdale, Broomfield, Buckingham, Byers, Carr, Castle Rock, Cornish, Crook, Daly, Denver, Denver International Airport, Fleming, Fort Collins, Fort Morgan, Golden, Holyoke, Iliff, Julesburg, Kiowa, Lyman, Logan Corners, Marks Butte, Marino, Ovid, Sedgwick, and 16 Mile Corner. Primary threats include scattered large hail and isolated very large hail events to 2 inches in diameter, possible scattered damaging wind gusts to 70 miles an hour, possible a tornado or 2 possible. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means conditions are favorable for severe thunderstorms in and close to the watch area. Persons in these areas should be on the lookout for threatening weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Severe thunderstorms can and occasionally do produce tornadoes. The 1 p.m. observations around northeast Colorado.